Right, hi ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you how, hopefully this will work, to get paint off your paving stone. Now here, I've got a little wire brush. Yeah, now if I get my drill, and I'll go over to where the actual paint is. There's the cats. Goes the cat. There goes the cats. Right, now, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we're going to give that a whirl and see if this works. I've tried some petrol on it, it just try some thinners on it, it just I haven't tried paint stripper because I'm thinking it's a water-based paint, so it may not do nothing. So I'm going to put it together. Put it back in, turn it up, locks up, good to go. Right, here we go with our wire brush. Let's put it in, to attach everything to the drill. There we go. Alright, so start off with this little blob. I'm going to use it just on the edge of the drill bit, not flush down, just for cause, yeah? There you go, perfect tool for the job, but it may take you a while. So on that note, take care, good luck, see you later.